Before you export out a PDF file, what you can also do is edit profile so that you can export a PDF file in the way you want with a certain setting tweaks. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to file right here, and then I'm going to go to export, and then I'm going to choose PDF. So once I do that over here, you can see that there's this profile editing option right here. So if I were to go around right here and click on this, you can see that it opens up the PDF profile right here. And the name right now being chosen out for this particular PDF is 3-panel vertical. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and write in a storyboard example for TutorTube right here. And then this is what you have, as you can see. And you got a description over here, as you can see right here. So I'm going to say this is for a test right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around a description for a test, just like this, as you can see. Similarly, you can work around with units right here like inches, and even choose out what font you want for the description that you see in the storyboard right here. And you can add in duration in feet, and you can change around the font size right here, and even have an option to render the images in black and white, as you can see. Similarly, what you can do is you can work around with other things right here. Let's say, for example, page. You can choose around the page format to A4, as you can see right here, and you can even choose custom and add in a custom width and a height over here. You can choose like the page format. You can choose landscape right here, display table title, and work around with different things. Like you can add in pages per seat right here. You can also work around with the rotation, as you can see right here, and define certain margins over here as well, just like this. You can also add in a background image if you want to right here. Similarly, you can go around and adjust out the other option, as you can see right here, and that is something we're going to see later on. And if you want to restore everything to default, that is, you don't want any of the settings to take effect, then you can click on restore all defaults right here as well. But I'm just going to go around and press OK right here, and then hit export button, and then you can see that it is exported, as you can see right here. And the font that I chose, as you can see, is here right now. And you can see that according to my settings, now the storyboard is landscape, and the storyboard is in black and white, as you can see, and the font that we selected is here, just like this. And that is how you can edit profile for PDF export from Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.